guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install email and phone number extractor file. So we have the setup file and the patch. Okay, so you just double click on the setup file. I already have my Windows Defender and my internet connection to the system turned off. So once you double click on it, the installation process will begin and you click on next. Okay, accept their terms and conditions, then click next. Alright, you can put any organization. For me, I'm going to add site systems. Okay, let's say user civic and organization site systems. Alright, then you click next and then click on install. Click yes. We're all done with the installation. Next, just open the patch file. Open the patch, then select and copy this. Once you copy the file, let's close this. You go to the desktop, you can find the file here. You can delete this file. Then next you go to your, let's go to my file explorer. You navigate to this PC, then select local disk C. Alright, then you go to program file 86. Once you get to the program file 86, you have to scroll down. Okay, here is Technocom solution. You open it, then this is email and phone number extractor file that we just installed. Open the file, just right click here and then paste the file you just copied, then click on replace. Continue. After pasting the file on this location, you select the file again, right click and then create a shortcut on your desktop. Create shortcut, click yes. Then let's go to desktop. Here's the file, you right click on it. For the first time you have to run it as administrator. Run as administrator. Click yes. Alright, you can see we have the registered version of this very software. If you would like to know how to use this software, the link is in the description below. If you also want to get the software downloaded to your system, it's also in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.